Let's take a new Typhoon H Plus and set it up. After the craft and camera connect to your controller, you will see this screen. The top right-hand panel contains various information. Only the first and last item can be opened. Starting over, this is the first screen that will come up on your controller. This upgrade reminder pops up every time you start. Hopefully it will go away. Notice that the craft has connected. Now let's wait for the camera. With a calibrated compass, the upper left circular area will show the direction your craft nose is aimed relative to north. The circular area also displays the craft horizon. Notice the craft GPS acquisition data. The controller in this case is covered, so it will not pick up any satellite. The first icon contains flight data history updated in real time. As you see here, it contains earlier data. The last icon is the settings menu. When you open it up, there are 4 submenus. Take a look as we go through all the settings. Be sure to initially calibrate your compass. You can access an advanced menu by tapping the compass calibration icon 5 times rapidly. Do not use this menu without a technician's advice. Now let's go to the controller section. Use the RC monitor to check the various controls and switches on the ST16S. You can move them around if you wish. Use the Wi-Fi icon to connect your camera if it does not automatically connect. Remember, the passcode is 1 through 0. Now let's look at the general settings. See the software update section? With a good internet connection, you can check here for over-the-air updates. If you find updates, be sure the craft and controller batteries are fully charged. See the star in the lower left corner? You will find your task modes there. Now, let's run through all the camera settings, beginning with the video camera and then going to the still photos. A lot of the settings you will see are the same, but not all. Now let's go to the still camera settings. Do you see the circular icon just beneath the settings icon? I hope you've enjoyed this trip through the Typhoon H Plus. And this is, of course, a BazaCat production.